You're watching Zero the Painter. Please click like and subscribe.
Welcome! Today Zero is going to show you the basics of drawing or painting a portrait. If you are new here, please click like and subscribe so you never miss a lesson. Now let's get started. The first thing we need to do is decide where our light is coming from. So let's pretend this candle is our light source. So in this demonstration, the light is coming from the top left of our portrait. That means our highlights will be on the left side and shadows will be on the right. We will start by sketching our portrait lightly with a pencil. A hard lead is good for this because it helps to draw very lightly. Next, we give the whole face a skin tone. This should be the lightest tone in your chosen palette. Now we add in some basic shadows, sort of a road map for the rest of the highlights and shadows. Now we can add in a few basic details like eyebrows, nose, and lips. Next, we add another layer of shadow. Working in layers helps add a realistic touch. Now we add another layer of shadows, and then we start blending. This is just the first blend. We will work the shadows and highlights together. Now we will use a darker hue to add details. Here he is using burnt umber. Now some red to build up the lips. Now to detail the hair. We draw hair in shapes rather than each hair. This adds a touch of realism. This is only an example, so you can do this in any colors you choose. Now he will use lamp black to cut in some bold details. Another layer of shadows to her nose, lips, and cheeks. The key is to build layer by layer. By working in layers, you can build a realistic effect. Now just add layers until you feel it's finished. This is your art and you are in control. In this example, we worked from light to dark, but you can work from dark to light. This is just an example. Humans come in every color. So like Digital Underground said, do what you like and paint any color that you like. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, you know what to do.